Picasso Glass has been decorating windows for the past 17 years. We have carried out many prestigious projects that have helped us to build our business and grow not only as a sandblasting business, but as a glass decorating company. Our services include decorative sandblasting and sandblast effect vinyl. Some feathers in our cap include a large portion of the Ria Vaya bus station artworks and the sandblasted artwork of Table Mountain at Cape Town International Airport. Today we would like to take you through the process of applying decorative sandblasting and sandblast effect vinyl. Whether applying real sandblasting or effect vinyl, you can customize your home or office in a way that's uniquely yours. We have a wide range of designs to choose from, or we can produce a custom design for you. Once the artwork or branding for the installation is finalized, the designs or logos are cut into the vinyl with a vinyl cutter. In order to transfer the vinyl to the glass surface, whether it is as a sandblasting stencil or an effect vinyl installation, a transfer tape is applied on top of the vinyl. Before we can stick any form of vinyl onto a glass surface, the glass is carefully cleaned to remove any dust, dirt or paint that might cause an inferior installation. Scaffolding we use in your house or your business is specially designed with awkward staircases in mind to avoid scratching or damaging floor surfaces in any way. After the glass surface is prepared, the stencil is measured and carefully placed in position to make sure that the end product is sandblasted to perfection. The stencil is rubbed with a squeegee to ensure that the vinyl is secured to the entire glass surface so that it does not lift during the blasting process. A few small bubbles or little folds do not matter, as the vinyl template is removed once the blasting is done. All exposed areas are covered meticulously to prevent any damage to your window frames during the sandblasting process. At Picasso, we have designed and manufactured our own brand of sandblasting machines to carry out sandblasting without having to remove any glass panels. In addition to this, all the excess sand and most of the dust are vacuumed back into the machine, making messy dust storms a thing of the past. Once the sandblasting is completed, we remove the protective coverings and the vinyl template and ensure the work area is cleaned thoroughly. Sandblasted areas are safe to touch immediately after the blasting process, as no harmful chemicals are used that need to be cured. The sand we use does not contain any harmful free silica that is believed to cause lung cancer and other respiratory disorders. In office buildings, it is often not possible to work with heavy, noisy machinery, making effect vinyl a practical alternative. In addition to this, if you move premises, you can simply remove the vinyl frosting and branding without having to spend thousands of rands replacing expensive glass, making this option very cost-effective. Premium effect vinyl comes with a 10-year guarantee but can last for up to 15 years with ease. It also has a UV blocking agent that blocks those harmful UV rays of the sun that can damage and even burn your curtains and furniture. Again, the glass surface has to be spotless and free from any chemicals, dirt or grease. Once the vinyl is prepared and cut to size, the backing is peeled off. The sticky side of the vinyl is gently sprayed with a light soapy solution which does not give off any chemical fumes, making it perfectly safe to use in any environment. When the vinyl is wet, it can be moved into place very accurately. For the soapy water and bubbles to be removed from behind the vinyl, a rubber roller or specialized squeegee is used to prevent the vinyl from getting scratched or folded during application. Once all the water has been removed, the excess vinyl is cut away and removed, leaving a beautiful professional finish. For logos or designs, the next step is to remove the application or transfer tape very carefully to ensure that the vinyl does not get damaged, as it is not yet completely dry at this point. After all the transfer tape has been removed, the vinyl needs to be left to dry for at least 4 hours before it can be touched or cleaned. Color printing can also be done on sandblast effect vinyl, making it a very versatile medium for application in both home and corporate environments. At Picasso Glass, your interior is our passion. We have enjoyed solid growth for almost 2 decades and will continue to be fully committed to providing our customers with exceptional quality, outstanding service, and competitive pricing.